Hey, I can't seem to get outside of my head. It's getting difficult to leave my bed. I need some air that I can breathe. I don't care where, as long as I leave. I wanna go outside in the sun, find a field where I can run. Outside in the breeze, be who I'm supposed to be. Outside of these walls, where all my problems feel so small. Outside, outside, where there's palm trees and meadows, sky so blue and the sunshine yellow. Feeling like a kid, teeth stained with jello. No goodbyes, just one big hello, hello.